Hello, I'm going to be talking to you a bit about doubling today. Now, doubling sounds like quite a scary word, but actually all it means is you're adding the same number again. Now, the thing that I use to help me is quite often I can use these to help me, particularly with smaller numbers. So these are with us all the time and they're great for things like counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're also great for adding. So if I've got 1 and I add another 2, how many altogether? Or taking away. I've got 2, but I need to take one of them away. How many left? So they're great for all of things like that, and they're especially good for doubling. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. Now we're going to find the answer to double 3. So I'm going to start off with holding up 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now, do you remember what doubling means? That's right. It means I'm adding the same number again. So how many fingers am I going to hold up on the other hand? Good. 3. The same as the 3 that I've got on this hand. Help me count then. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So I've got my first 3. And then I've got the 3 new ones that I've added on. So what I do now is I have to add them all together to find the answer. So we put them together and we're going to count all together now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So double 3 is 6. Well done. Okay, now I'm going to see whether you can do the answer for double 4. What's the answer to double 4? How many fingers do I start off with? Well done. I start off with 4 fingers. Help me count then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So when I'm doubling, what am I doing? I'm adding the same number again. Well done. So I'm going to have another 4 fingers up. And they look the same as well, don't they? So now I have to add both of them together to find the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer to double 4 is 8. Great job. Okay, now you can do doubling with anything. It could be with your hands. It could be with some, what have I got in here? It could be with some pens. So here I've got some pens from my magical spotty bag, and we're going to find the answer to double 2. So if you've got some pencils or some pens that you could use to help you, be a really good time to pause the video now and go and grab them. We're going to do double 2. Excellent. Have you got your pens and pencils? Great job. Okay, so how many do I start off with? Well done. So I start off with 2. So count with me. 1, 2. Great job. Now when I'm doubling, what am I doing? I'm adding the same again. So how many more will I need in the other hand? I'll need another 2. Excellent job. Are you ready? Here we go. So now I've got my 2 in this hand and my 2 in this hand. What do I do? I add them both together. I add both groups together. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So the answer to double 2 is 4. Great job. Now I've got a question for you. I'm going to leave you with a question and I would like you to see if you can find the answer. Okay, when you found the answer, can you please post it in the comments? So the question is, what's the answer to double 5? What's the answer to double 5? And remember, we're just adding the same group. That's all doubling means. You're just adding the same again. So the answer to double 5. Have a go. Use whatever you need. You could use sweets. You could use people if you've got enough people living in your house. You could use pens, pencils, you could use animals, you could use cars, dinosaurs, absolutely anything. And you can see if you can solve double five. Let me know what the answer is. Speak to you soon. Bye.